Every day, companies are deploying machine learning into the latest apps and software. As developers build the next generation of technology solutions, machine learning will keep transforming the business world. But what is machine learning, and how will companies take advantage of it? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. These algorithms are designed to improve over time as they process more data to enable more accurate outputs. Here are a few well-known examples of machine learning. The self-driving Google car, the essence of machine learning. Online recommendations from Amazon and Netflix. Machine learning applications for everyday life. Knowing what customers are saying about you on Twitter. Machine learning combined with linguistic rule creation. Fraud detection, one of the more obvious important uses in our world today. So why does machine learning matter? Rising interest in machine learning is due to growing volumes and varieties of data, computational processing that is cheaper and more powerful, and affordable data storage. All of these things mean it's possible to quickly and automatically produce models that can analyze bigger, more complex data and deliver faster, more accurate results, even on a very large scale. And by building precise models, a company has a better chance of identifying profitable opportunities or avoiding unknown risks. So who's using machine learning? Most industries have recognized the value of machine learning technology. By gaining insights from this data, often in real time, companies are able to work more efficiently or gain an advantage over competitors. Banks and other financial businesses use machine learning technology to identify important insights in data and prevent fraud. Government agencies have multiple sources of data that can be mined for insights. Analyzing sensor data, for example, identifies ways to increase efficiency and save money. Machine learning is booming in healthcare thanks to wearable devices that assess patient health data in real time. The technology can also use data to identify trends or red flags that may lead to improved diagnoses and treatment. Websites recommending items you might like use machine learning to analyze your buying history. Retailers rely on machine learning to capture data, analyze it, and personalize a shopping experience. What's required to create good machine learning systems? Data preparation capabilities, algorithms, basic and advanced, scalability, and automation processes. It's important to understand that machine learning is not entirely about algorithms. Ultimately, the secret to getting the most value from your big data lies in pairing the best algorithms for the task at hand with an integrated end-to-end platform like airSlate for the automation of the data to decision process. airSlate can be a great addition to your business and be the perfect solution for companies looking to automate their operations. airSlate's platform provides a simple interface that enables companies to automate complex processes. With airSlate, your business can join the leader in machine learning and automation. Take advantage of everything technology has to offer. Stay on the cutting edge of your industry and watch your business grow.